What's going on, guys? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today I'm doing a best gaming hairstyles video of characters that I've chosen, and I've been a gamer since I was like a very, very young kid, so let's get into it. First, we have Agent 47. I mean, this basically is me, all right? Now, this is, a very sleek, classic, shaved head, the bald, really badass look, and it matches his character perfectly. Now, I've been playing the new Black Ops 4, and this is the character from the Battery class, and she has got this awesome, textured, kind of like mohawk slash faux hawk, and every time I play this, I'm like, her hair is just awesome. So that's it. Next, Connor from Detroit Become Human, and I mean, if you've played this game, you know he's got this really cool, very sophisticated, kind of slick back hairstyle, and I think it's something that is still very modern and can be worn today. Now, no introduction to this Dante from Devil May Cry. I mean, I've gotten so many requests, and he's had actually a variety of hairstyles throughout the series, but I mean, a really cool kind of edgy, really textured haircut. Now, this is Geralt from The Witcher, kind of a half up, half down, really, really cool option for somebody who has their hair long enough that they can do this. I think it works well for him, but I have seen lots of guys with it, and it's definitely very convenient. Now, we're going old school. This is Gordon Freeman from Half-Life, which was like the first PC game I played many, many years ago, and it's got like a really simple but textured look, all right? Now, I've done Jakob Seed from Far Cry 5. I've done this tutorial already, a really extreme undercut. And you can definitely check out my tutorial. Just type it in and search Jakob Seed, the Salon Guy, and you'll see. But a really, really cool, badass haircut. This one needs no introduction. Leon Kennedy from Resident Evil. I mean, from whether you're doing cosplay stuff or just, the haircut alone, it's really cool, really edgy. And again, I do have a video for this. Now, here's another throwback. This is Link from The Legend of Zelda. Again, a very old school game, but that's a really cool haircut. I mean, I could see somebody who's maybe going for like a surfer, or like an emo or scene type look. Definitely heavily layered, but worth checking out. This is Solid Snake from Metal Gear Solid, and he's got that really cool kind of Escape from New York, almost really bad ass masculine haircut, real edgy, and just like you don't want to mess with him. Now, Nathan Drake from Uncharted. I mean, his hair is like a total awesome haircut, really, really trendy. This is something never that will go out of style. And again, yes, I have done a tutorial of this. Now, this is an old school one. This is Soap from Call of Duty, if you guys remember. Kind of just like a straight up mohawk, but you don't really see this too often, but I think it's a really cool haircut, especially for a gaming character. And last but not least, we can't leave the ladies out. This is Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. She's always got that really cool, just, put it in a ponytail and those really nice layers that just kind of hang down and frame the face. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any haircuts out of your favorites from gaming characters, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.